I wanted to go to some of the sessions on benign hematology. I worked for many years in hemophilia, so I wanted to see what is the progress in hemophilia. I was specific. I wanted to see what is the progress in gene therapy in hemophilia. And although gene therapy has been around in hemophilia B for quite a few years, right now we have data on gene therapy in hemophilia A. Hemophilia A is the majority of the patients with hemophilia. It's a lifelong disease. The patients need to be treated from early childhood with prophylaxis, and not all the countries have the means to treat these patients properly with the right standard of care, so they avoid the later complications of the disease. Some of these complications are, the patients bleed in their joints, and they become gradually immobile. So treating these patients early on with gene therapy is actually amazing. And there was data showing that one single injection with the experimental drug basically transformed the severe and moderate hemophilia in mild or better. And it really decreased the annual bleeding rate significantly. And these patients didn't need prophylaxis anymore. So huge progress for these patients with hemophilia A, considering that about 80% of the hemophilia patients have hemophilia A. And the gene therapy was more difficult in hemophilia A because of the dimension of the gene. So it was more difficult to approach the gene in hemophilia A compared to B. But there is hope there. And the safety profile was very good for the experimental arm. So hopefully this is going to become standard of care.